hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you 1, 2, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made, so retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, strut my stuff and yes I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys jump on it. No, I can't control myself now. Let me do my 1, 2, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Like this. Shake it like Jello, make the boys say hello, cause they know I'm rocking the beat. I know you heard about a lot of great MCs.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you don't know, baby. I took a half, she took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of being with your moms, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga's house in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I ride into somebody, must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. Sticking up closable cap. Hey, I see some records attack. They don't end up making it back. I don't think they had the crib going crazy down bad when they had it didn't last that bad. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you don't know, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trench and relax. Can you not tell the boy in the club who's doing all this and all that? Me and Alana, I buy her weed, telling me tears and that. Putting the deal for bag kills, but you only go for the net. I'm like, baby, I'm not just a rapper, you telling me you want me straight. Real Drake's still looking, smile break, real drinks. Even though I got a cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been to waste, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I don't think they had the crib going crazy down bad, but they had it didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you don't know, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the rest of the proud of the band. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, I wouldn't regret it. Never even did it, now they won't get it. Yeah. All they still beating, my niggas still eating. Drink all they look like they going to eat it. Hello, talk to them, spilling the tea. And Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they had the crib going crazy down bad, but they had it didn't last. Hey, whoa, hey, hey, yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it up. I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle, I'm in the win, a million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the six, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a review for West Kiss Hair. It's been a really long time, you guys, since I've worked with West Kiss, and it's been a really long time since I've reviewed like some curly burgundy hair. So you guys know recently I have reviewed 2 units that were 99J. I did one of them like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just did one a few days ago, and I put like bangs in it or whatever, and now I have this beautiful curly unit. So I'm not really sure on the curl pattern for this hair. I'm not sure if it's deep wave, deep curly, jerry curly, or what the true texture of this hair is, but I will say whatever texture it is, it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I absolutely love this texture. I do have all of the hair up front, by the way, right now. This is a lot of hair. I would say this is probably a good like 200% density or 180% density, somewhere up there, but this unit is very, very full, and I love that about this unit because I like really full curly hair. I don't like when I get curly hair and it's like they're kind of depending on it being curly to like fulfill the fullness, but it still gives very thin. That's not the case with this unit at all. I love this unit so much, you guys. I also like the lace on this unit as well. I did put some makeup on my lace just to help blend it in a little bit better, and I do suggest that you do that. As far as customizing is concerned, I didn't do much customizing to this unit. As far as like bleaching the knots, I did not bleach the knots in this unit. However, I did pluck the unit, make it look more natural and, you know, not be so thick on the sides. This is what my edges are currently looking like. If you guys want to see a close-up look, this is what they look like. And like I said, the lace on this unit is actually pretty nice. Like I said, this unit is very, very full, so it's on the warmer side, which is going to be perfect for this time of year because you guys know it has been very, very cold, especially in LA. It's been so cold and raining. It's currently raining right now. It's been raining all day long, all night long. It's just been a mess. But when you have hair like this, it's gonna keep you warm. The curls are just beautiful all the way down to the bottom. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. Like all the way down to the very bottom. Like the curls are just so popping and just bomb. Like I absolutely love it. And I am gonna turn around just so you guys can see like what all the hair looks like in the back. But like I said, this is some really, really thick, full, curly hair. And I love the fact, even though it's thick, it's not like bulky. Because as you guys can see, like my hair is super flat. I don't have any product in my hair. The only product I put on my hair is the gel for my edges, but the actual hair, like even this top part, like it doesn't have any product on it. And look how flat and smooth it lays with no product on it. So that's the thing that I like about the fact that even though this unit is on the fuller side, it's not like all big and bulky. But anyways, let me turn around so you guys can see what all the hair looks like in the back. Let me turn all the way around. Scoot out a little bit. So yeah, this is what it's giving. Very beautiful, long and curly. Like I said, all the way down to the ends. Like this hair is so long. Yeah, this is where the hair is hitting me. I want to say the inches on this, it has to be like a 24 inch, but honestly, like I feel like it's even longer than that. Like if I'm to like really pull it down, yeah, this is way longer than 24. Way longer than the 24, like stretch length, but I would argue maybe at minimum a 26 inch at minimum. 24 inches doesn't go past my waist. Like on me, like I've had plenty of 24 inches and they don't go past my waist. This is well, even curly, like it's already at my waist. You feel what I'm saying? So like being pulled, yeah, it's all the way down to my hip. Same thing on this side, like very, very long, beautiful curly hair all the way down to the ends. And this is with no product, you guys. I don't have anything in this hair. It's just pure, beautiful curls. And you know, obviously for them to get this color, they do have to like process the hair or something like that to get the hair color to be like this beautiful like burgundy color. So with that being said, I like the fact that the integrity of the hair is still very good. Like I don't have any like tangling or shedding all over the place. However, I will say that this hair does bleed, so be mindful of that. If you're going to be wearing white or like if you're wearing light colored clothes, I would shy away from wearing this hair color because typically when we wear curly hair, we're gonna wet it. And when you wet this hair, it could bleed into your clothing, so I would just kind of shy away from wearing light colored clothes. That's why I currently have on this black top. But when I was washing the hair, you know, I did experience some bleeding with the hair. That only happened because the water was on the warmer side. So when you are washing your colored units, you need to make sure that you're using cold water only. If you use hot water, it's going to cause the color to bleed. The color bleeding will also like bleed into your clothes. So you just want to make sure that you're like careful with that. So that's the only thing that I do want to warn you guys about. If you do decide to get this unit, to just be mindful of wearing light colored clothes. And that goes for any colored hair. Like for me in general, when it comes to even like these pre-colored units like this, like they're still dyed. They still go through a dyeing process. So with that being said, you need to be mindful of the colors that you wear because it can easily like rub off onto what you're wearing. One thing that I will say that I do like about this unit is that it is a true 13x4. I don't have like a bunch of tracks or anything here on the side. Like literally my tracks don't start until way back here. So I love that about this. You can definitely get away with a lot more styling. If you want to do like those two ponytails, like with the poof balls, like that would be super cute. You know, like y'all know what I'm talking about. I've done it on my channel before too, like the little two ponytails at the top and leave the half down. Super cute. So you can definitely do that. You can do half up, half down. You can do a lot. You know, I just didn't want to do like the basic like middle part. I definitely thought this would be cute in a side part. And I love the fact that I didn't have to put any product on my hair. And like, look how bomb it looks. Like, it's so beautiful all the way down to the roots. Like, from the roots all the way down to the ends of the hair. Like, this hair is gorgeous. And for this to be as full as it is and to not have like any lumping or anything right here, like that's just so bomb to me. So I just love the construction of this unit, and I always have a pleasure working with West Kiss hair. Anytime that I've received a unit from West Kiss, it has always been amazing, especially when it comes to curly hair. Like, in my opinion, I feel like they low-key specialize in like the curly hair, because every time I get a unit from them and it's curly, it's like usually one of my favorite units. They really do have like some of the best hair on the market if you're looking for a company that you want to like really invest in, because at the end of the day, yes, you can buy hair that's like on the cheaper side, but I feel like when you buy cheap hair, it just doesn't last as long. It's not going to have the same integrity to it, and this hair, I can tell it'll definitely last. But one thing I will say when it comes to curly units is that they're very high maintenance. You definitely have to make sure that you have a bonnet, and I love the fact that they gave us like all those cute like free goodies in our order. I love when I receive free gifts in my packages, but to receive like any type of new like hair bonnets, silk wraps, you know, even these edge control brushes, like I love when companies send that type of stuff because I do use them and I do need them. Those are my thoughts on today's unit. If you guys have been looking at this unit, or if you're interested in it and you want to give it a try yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, West Kiss, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by to show me so much love and support. Continue to like, continue to comment, and don't forget to share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye!